Go from this to this with this. The On-Sun Secret Nail Reboot Kit. This challenge takes 1 minute a day and 5 minutes once a week to transform unhealthy, damaged nails back to life. Everything's included to bring your nails back to glory in 60 days. Start by using the Nail Reboot file. Follow with the Nail Reboot buffer to get in the glow. The 3-step process only takes minutes and provides long-lasting results. First, buff for clarity. Next, strengthen. Then, step 3 is the secret to the shine. This specially designed buffer gently buffs nails without causing damage. Just look at the difference. It's amazing. To finish it off, apply On-Sun Reboot Oil and Cuticle Cream daily. Simply apply to your cuticles and massage into your nails for continued health and growth. Also included are replacement Nail Reboot Buffer pads for 60 days of ongoing treatment. Take the challenge and transform your nails to nails that shine every time with On-Sun Secret.